St. John's Day School. We're located on 5th Avenue in beautiful downtown Laurel. We'd like to welcome you on into our school. St. John's is a pre-K-3 through 6th grade elementary school. We're here to provide enhanced educational opportunities in a loving Christian environment where students learn, discover, and grow together. As you can see, our theme this year is Candyland. We're following the path to sweet success this year. And today we're hosting our open house for all of our returning students today from 9 to 3. We're also inviting all of our new students or any students that are interested in coming to St. John's. Please come on by and check us out today. That's again today from 9 to 3. This year learning is going to be oh so sweet and oh so fun, and we can't wait for you to join us. Hope to see you soon. Bye.